the provincial government of Cebu launched a program called SUGBUSUG, Luwas ug Himsog, or the so-called SUGBUSUG, that provides every Cebuano an opportunity to venture into farming and agriculture. This program is a contest open to all households and puruks in the different local government units under the province of Cebu, which garnered support and expanded to include search for best LGU and best barangay. As an offshoot, the provincial government of Cebu launched the SUGBUSUG sa eskwelahan, Estudyanteng Busog, Luwas ug Himsog, to be implemented in all elementary and high schools throughout the province. These were stipulated in the Executive Order Number 30, Series of 2021, signed and issued by Governor Gwendolen F. Garcia. The program aims to instill in the hearts and minds of the students and every person the love and beauty in growing and producing their own food. To produce fresh, safe, and readily available food for the school children nutritional needs. To increase the consumption of vegetables among school children as an important way of boosting their immune system, and to inspire our young learners to develop interests in the field of agriculture. In compliance with the Division Memorandum Number 338, Series of 2021, signed and issued by the Schools Division Superintendent of Cebu Province, Dr. Marilyn S. Andales, which is about disseminating Executive Order Number 30, Series of 2021 regarding creating the Sugbuanong Busog, Luwas ug Himsog sa eskwelahan evaluation and monitors. As the memorandum was disseminated, the school's representative, who is the National Greening Program Coordinator, attended the orientation in the district, after which the planning in the school was done with all the teachers for the Division of Labor for the implementation and compliance. Each was given responsibility as part of the SUGBUSUG program, for the school believes the thought of an unknown author which says, if we don't all row, the boat won't go. As it was planned, the teachers and few parents were grouped for the different assignments for the SUGBUSUG program, or in some other way, anyone who was available or could extend help and support was welcome. Areas were prepared for the garden itself and containers to be used. Nursery, vermiculture, waste management, compost pit facilities. Other members of the faculty as well were tasked for the different preparations for the application of sustainable farming practices like organic pesticides and organic fertilizers. Inasmuch as the area was ready for the planting, teachers happily and enjoyably sowed some of the seeds and transplanted the seedlings for their proper places. Everything was set and settled for the daily visitation and nurturing period. Plants were then observed sprouting up and growing as the caretakers nurtured them. Natural farming practices were adopted. Organic fertilizers were used like vermicast, carabao, and chicken manure. A botanical pesticide, particularly neem tree extract, was also applied in the system. Of course, the daily watering, visiting, and even talking with these vegetations were also applied. Kung may itinanim, may aanihin. This is the Tagalog saying that everyone is now proud of. After all the efforts from the planning down to the nurturing, the products seem to be the dose of all those endeavors. In totality, the SUGBUSUG program's objectives are for the learner's beneficial consumption. However, in our present situation that the school is still using distance learning modality, learners have not noticed all these. But one thing is for sure, it is indeed a very commendable program, not just for them, but for all the stakeholders of the school and the whole community as well.